So this is where I'm gonna start my garden at. I got two small little deals. So I figured since I'm new to this would be a good start for me to start me something. Probably do some fruit over here, some type of fruit, and some veggies over in that one. So for my people who do grow, let me know what you think I should start with. I'm gonna use these two first, and then I'm probably gonna pick me a section of this yard to till. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna use a section of it, to actually cultivate. But I'm gonna start here first. So for those who garden, give me some pointers. Let me know what you think, what I should get, and I go from there. I'm out this morning just drinking my coffee and thinking. I like the yard space. I got to get a lawnmower because the price to get this stuff done is ridiculous, so I can do it myself. And then plus, like I said, it ain't that much. And then, it's just the workout, man. I think that's a problem with us now. We don't want to do nothing, man. And then we wonder why our limbs and members and our body parts ain't working right because we don't want to do no type of exercise. And we just want to float around and have shit popping out mouth. Hold on.